Good morning, my viewers. I'm Oluwawan, the son of the living God. I'm from Edo State. You can see what happened in my state. See, Obaseki came, he saw, but he could not conquer the situation. He thought he would conquer. Edo State is a state that's governed by the monarch. The monarch is a superior there. He's a high intelligent person. They don't talk shit. They don't talk anyhow to him. If you talk anyhow, you see the people will be angry. The gods will be angry with you. See, Obaseki came. He came like an emperor. You see, they don't use imperialism in Edo State. You have to respect the situation there. The situation there is not the government of the nation there. The government of there is the monarch, the palace of the Oba of Benin. Oba Tokwe is he must be respected. You can't disrespect him. See, I was telling you the other time that him, Obaseki, he should tender a public apology that time before the election. You can't just be talking anyhow, abusing my Oba anyhow. It's not possible. You can see how he failed. He failed woefully. Can you see that it's like Tribal was the machinery on his back? You don't throw Tribal out of the game after he now put you in the office. Okay, you now say you are the Lord, overnight Lord. Is it possible? And now you are not crying. You are not crying like a tata saying the election was rigged. Where were you when they rigged the election? Where were you? You thought you are Lord? Now you have to face EFCC because they are coming for you and they must come. See, let us be frank with ourselves. Right from the day one of us enter governor, this 8 years now, go and check Edo State. What did they do on Shimon Edwam? Let us be frank, he don't do anything. He pack his head and big head. He's a deputy criminal. See, he will face the situation. See, if Obaseki fail, because you don't even arrange anything. There is nothing that he will put as in him done. It's just like he was trying to make Edo State a divided whole. One belongs to him as emperor, the other one elite belongs to the Oba, which is abomination. Because see the other time when they brought those artificial from outside country, the one they stole from the palace of Edo State 100 years ago.
He was dragging it with Oba of Benin.
Took
Oba of Benin to court.
See, he was stolen from the palace. Supposed to be returned to the palace. He said no. Say you are the Lord. You are the governor. Say you want to build a special museum. He said a language that is abusive language. You are allowed telling the whole world that Oba is starter to you. Where are you now? You are the last starter. You will face this consequence of your utterance, negative utterance. You see where he fell? He fell woefully. See, we came now, they are not happy. Akpado and they are not happy because their deal has been done.
Yes, they went to the Oba's palace to celebrate the Oba of
Imagine,
Benin.
see, Oba, you can't pinch Oba like that. Oba is a spiritual monarch. It's a different from Oba of the rest state in Nigeria. Because I know my Oba, I know, see, those people, they are very highly spirituality. You can't play rough play with them. Okay, see what is happening now. PDP now is out of the game in Edo State. That's out. Now APC plus. Where are we going from here? See, it's a lesson that will be taught to the rest governors. You have to respect the institution that you met on ground because you are going home one day. They remain there. Can you imagine? So I'm sorry for Obaseki because now Oshimola is happy. Oshimola is happy, he's clapping. See, you see what they did to him? A governor, just like a common man, they drove him away. They drove him away when he went to INEC and said, we want to go and complain. They are ringing. He said, who ring? You don't ring. Okay, now you are shouting. See, the deal has been done. He contributed 85% to his own failure. He can't cry to anywhere. Nothing like ringing there. He fell woefully. His utterance, his action, his way of doing, all is porridge. He don't score. F9 parallel.
It looks like the governor of Rivers State now, Simi Fubara, will be afraid of Wike factor that's going to likely come on him.
See, they must be afraid. You see, the finger that feed it don't bite it. Who is Fubara? Fubara name was never even known. I never even heard anybody call Fubara. Until after election, they say somebody Fubara win the election for Rivers State. I thought that name is a Fulani name or outside name, say na river man anyway. See, we kept single-handedly bring it from nowhere. Let us be frank, from gutter off of Poto. Now, just over a year, you don't want to be a Lord. You can't be Lord. It's not possible. You have to calm down. You watch the film, the serial, then you can become somebody. Somebody brought you, you want to bat him. Now his days is number. His days are number now. The camp is afraid now. The camp know that transforming is coming. Unexpected things can happen because they are the lion throne now.
No, are you afraid of Chakabat now? So all the whole governors, PDP governors, is afraid of Chakabat.
See the film, the scene one, where the scene one. See what you have seen, the handwriting on the wall. They are afraid. They are afraid. Except you stand well. If you don't stand well, your days are numbers. And majority of them they know. Because Nigeria is coming out of a way where there be if they are not taking one party system. Because that is what they are trying to speak for us now. If you can't join them, you can't fight them, you join them.
You are from Edo State, and you are talking about one-party system. When you're talking about one-party system, you are advancing an agenda currently now, the Muslim ticket. You know, you see, fear of conquest also through politics.
Yeah.
Are you not concerned about that, Oluwa?
See, what I'm trying to let you know. See, when me and you in Nigeria, we see the film right from day one. Now we are seeing the film. The film is going to, it's just in the middle of the dramatic house. You see, Jagaba, he will pocket all of them. See, we can one leg out, one leg in. Middle. Who is he working for? Jagaba. What is the mission? Crumble PDP. Let PDP be toothless. They will back. They can't bite. Don't you see what's happening? Where is Atiku? Where is Bode George? Bode George is not dancing to the throne of Jagaba indirectly. So the language, you see it. The film is one film, one party.
Now, I don't know.
Control. Edo is not Lagos. Say Edo no be Lagos. Edo is Lagos before. Edo now will be Lagos. I will be Eko. Everyone day one will be Eko. You understand? So the system what Baseki carry come, it defeat them. It doesn't work like that. No matter the situation, say respect is a reciprocal.
It's an embarrassment that the APC won 11 local government and you are sitting there as a governor.
Yeah, you are a mugu. It's a mugu now. You run giant, now say they run go here. Where are you running to? See, when you don't have the capacity to fight, don't bring fight. When you have the capacity, you don't say when fight happen, you can know how you go down. You don't have, you are just, you make mouth. At the end, you are going to EFCC office tomorrow or next tomorrow to answer about the millions or trillions of naira that were accumulated to you. What did you do with it? You are afraid now. Where you will run to? They can't allow you to disappear. You can't disappear. You are not Yaya Bello. Edo is different. So you will account for all the money. That is the beginning of his failure. He failed.
APC runs down Edo State government house.
Imagine.
And sweep, even under fire.
Imagine.
Completely
can you imagine?
Swept Obaseki and PDP.
Imagine.
Both at the state, at the national level, PDP is threatened. Oluwa, currently now, are Nigerians very okay with APC government?
See, you are right. Your question, Nigeria very okay with APC government. Zero. Say, but what can I do? What can Nigeria do? See Nigeria walking down the street. Nigeria is suffering by themselves. Everybody is his own. Because the mafia are in the throne. When mafia they throw, they decide on their own. Mafia, they go top. Mafia, they down. Mafia, they are so up. Akpabio, mafia, Senate, Wicked mafia, Abuja, Jagaba, the senior lion, as a rock. Oh, you are I mean, go there. Let me come on. Because now rice 400 naira upward, and they sell it now. They will just like ba, who cry, who protest. Anybody who protest, catch her, traceable follow him. You see, Nigeria is in the hand of the mafia. Only God can rescue you and I. But I believe we must live because he lives. We can face tomorrow. They are human. They are not God. We worship the Most High God because they believe, but their days are about.